Okay, we are live on the GoPro, but it doesn't have any. It doesn't give me a way to look at my whatever is recording. However, on the GoPro is you could see exactly everything that's recording on it. But I am not sure. If this is really working out, because I don't know how that goes. You know, it's recording me, but I don't know how really gonna put it onto my YouTube video, if I need to put it onto my YouTube video, or if it stays on GoPro, on GoProLive.com, and it will not let me put it into my video, into my YouTube videos, because I wanna be able to share it into my YouTube videos later on. I wonder if this is going to let me do it or not, but I hope it lets me do it. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it is a good choice to use the GoPro, the GoPro Live from the app? This is the first time I'm trying it. I'm working out of scratch. I'm doing it. I'm learning. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to see how this is done, and this is what what it shows me in the screen in my camera. So meaning this means I'm alive. I'm live right now. This is the time that I've been live right now, and this is the images how healthy the signal is. Stream health. The signal is, meaning that is the signal is very good, and this is supposed to be my my stream link. It says share stream link. I guess I could share that into my YouTube. That's what I could. That's the way I look at it, right? And then this is after I'm done, I guess, with the streaming. I think this is to view your stream. I guess I could view my stream after I'm done with my live stream, and then the share link over here, meaning I hope that lets me share it to my YouTube video. And this red button right here is for whenever I'm ready to stop the live streaming. So now I am over here. Now I'm gonna show you the reflection of my GoPro, how it looks, how the camera looks, how the screen looks on the front, because it usually shows you streaming when recording. When I'm recording out there, it usually shows you what I'm seeing in the back screen of the camera. Now I'm looking at the front screen, and this is what you see in the reflection. You see the reflection of my GoPro. It's a GoPro 9. You see that there's numbers right there. That means that's the time. That's the time that's been going. It's been streaming, supposedly live. This is supposed to be live. And like I say, I'm learning. That's my daughter. Like I say, I'm learning how to do the live streaming through my phone and the GoPro. Look at, baby, I'm learning. Look at this. I'm controlling it through the phone. So this is the first time ever, and hopefully I'm able to work around my way. Okay, baby, be careful. Okay, take care. Take your coat on. Put the coat on.
I got a double sweater on.
Oh, okay.
And this coat.
Okay, all right.
I mean, sorry.
Okay, be very careful. Very careful. Okay. Go, Kayla. Go on, Kayla. Open the door. Yeah, that's my daughter. I'm so worried.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't cross the street. But be very careful. Look very carefully, because there was an accident. They say there was an accident on Gold Street. Somebody got run over.
Okay.
So be very careful. Okay.
Okay.
Are you going to the park?
Yeah.
To that park or this park? Gold Street Park.
Yeah.
Okay. Be very careful. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Bye bye. Okay, I love you too. Please be careful. Please, please, please. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So I get so worried about my daughter. My daughter's going to the park and meet her friends, and they're gonna go they're gonna go hang out a little bit. Uh, I just get worried.
I forgot mine.
You got your key?
Yeah, I got my key.
Oh, okay.
How do you think I open the door?
Oh, all
I
right.
forgot something.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is my time now. This is look at the time. The time is 5 minutes and 45 seconds over there, and it's over here the same thing. You look at you see the time over here. You could see the time on my phone. This is my phone. This is through my phone. I forgot to show my phone, but this is through my phone right there. You see the time right there, and in live stream live. Means I'm live, and I would show the rest, but I just wanted to make sure I'm showing everything. I'm showing everything okay, the right way, in the screen. So yeah, this is
Alright, peace out, dude.
okay. Be very careful, okay?
Alright, I love you.
All right, I love you. All right. So I only got one more. About they say I could do a few I could do a little while like that, but I'm on minute 6:56. So it's over here the same thing. Okay, you see that? So I'm on 7 minutes of life. So I'm trying to kill my time. Only used to be able to make 8 minutes, because 8 minutes go by a little pretty fast. And I hope I'm able to by the end of the 8 minutes. I hope I'm able to have something that was live streaming, and something that I could copy into my my YouTube videos. I don't know if this is going to let me do that or not. I am so unsure, because I want to be able to, if this works out, I want to be able to live stream all my videos like this, or to make all my videos like this, and then just to share them into my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna see what happens. Okay. All right. Well, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the four corners at the end of this video, and leave messages, make comments, share it, and enjoy it. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. All right. Bye bye.